The boy is reading a book. The boy is The kids are playing with pillows. The boy is listening to music. The sun is rising in the east. The students are going to the school. The girl is blowing soup bubbles. The tiger is lying on the grass.
The mother is holding her child.
The boy is swimming in the pool. The cat is drinking milk. The monkey is eating banana. The teacher is teaching in the class. The girl is studying on the computer. Boys are playing football. The boy is working the drums. The man is cutting down. The girl is hiding the geese. The man is rowing a boat. The donkey is carrying the load. The girl are dancing in the function. The boy is doing sums. The boys are playing cricket. The woman is working on the laptop.